Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to change this hairband into beautiful hairband using these colorful scrunchies and two cloth clip. So let's see how to do them. So we are going to add the scrunchies here. We'll place cloth pin like this. So likewise, you will be adding all these scrunchies till you reach here. So after adding all the rubber bands, it looks like this. Why we are keeping the clip is the rubber band should not come out for that. Pull this first one through this second one. So they should not come out. So pull this and bring it like this way here. So next like this. So likewise, you are going to do them till the end. So you'll get a beautiful look like this. So after doing them, it looks like this. Last, you can pull it inside like this. So after doing them, the headband looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.